Jai Srimannarayana. 23rd sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yaha Shastravidhim Utsrujya Vartate कामकारतः न ससिद्धिं अवाप्नोति न सुखं न परां गतिम्। ॐ Realize that to be happy in this world and to attain the supreme destination, you have to follow Sri Krishna Paramatma's message, Sri Krishna Paramatma's injunctions. Do not disregard Bhagavad Gita, which is the essence of the Vedas, our scriptures, which is also known as Shastra. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that to be happy in this world and to attain supreme destination, I have to follow your injunctions. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall never disregard Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishve Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukadamrutadrava pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupētamupētakrutyam dvaipāyano virahakātara ājuhāva putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 331st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad-Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "Ho Parikshit Narendra, in Vrindavanam, Sri Krishna Paramatma along with Balarama and all the Gopabalas, he is enjoying in that rainy season. He is noticing all the waterfalls. Kvachit vanaspati krode guhayancha abhivarshati nirvisya bhagavan reme kandamula phalasanaha." When there is a rain, Paramatma, Krishna Paramatma getting into one of the caves or one of the trees, and there along with his friends while playing and talking, they are eating all the fruits. Dadhyodanam samanitam silayam salilantake sambhojaniyaihi bubhuje gopaihi sankarshananvitaha. Along with Balarama and other friends, Krishna Paramatma, whatever the curd rice that they brought from their own homes, now they are all enjoying and eating those curd rice. Wherever there is water, they are finding one such a huge stone, and on that everyone, while sharing their own curd rice to others, while talking to each other, they are enjoying and eating their curd rice. And cows, bulls, baby cows, they are all relaxing on the grass. While half closing their eyes, they are all again and again bringing their grass into their mouth and eating. Because their udders are heavy, they are resting. Krishna Paramatma noticing that, and he is showering his graceful vision on all the cows, bulls and baby cows. Like that, Rama Kesavayoho Vraje, Balarama and Kesava, who is Sri Krishna Paramatma, they are enjoying in Vrindavanam in Varsha Rutu. And soon the Sharad Rutu entered. The moment Sharad Rutu entered, all the clouds cleared and it is looking very peaceful. The atmosphere is very peaceful. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 23rd sloka. Yasyastra vidhimutsrujya vartate kamakarataha nasa siddhimavapnoti na sukham na param gatim. Yasyastra vidhimutsrujya vartate kamakarataha na sa siddhimavapnoti na sukham na param gatim. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.